This week, we'll be learning about shapes. You will need a paper and pencil when you go through this video. We're going to talk about open versus closed shapes. Can you remember what the difference is between an open shape and a closed shape? A closed shape is one that has no opening to get you out if you were inside the lines. This is a closed shape. All sides are closed. There is an inside and an outside for a closed shape. For a shape to be closed, all lines must touch. Notice these are open shapes because these lines are not closed. If you were inside, you could actually get out. So these are open shapes. Look at this shape. How would you describe it? It has 3 straight sides. It comes together at 3 points. Here are your 3 points. And it has the 3 corners. It is closed. Touch and count the sides and corners. Notice this shape has no curved sides. Now let's talk about the sides. Are they all the same length? Touch and count the points and sides on this shape. Are there any curved sides? Does our shape still have 3 points? 3 sides? No curved sides. Are the sides the same length? Is this shape closed? This shape has 3 points and 3 sides and no curved lines. The sides of this shape are not the same length. This is a closed shape. Now I want you to draw a shape that has 3 points and 3 sides. What is the name of the shape that you drew? A shape with 3 points and 3 sides is a triangle. Okay, is this a triangle? This is open. If you were a pet inside this fence, you would be able to escape. So this is not a triangle. A triangle must be closed. Look at this shape. How would you describe it? It has 4 straight sides. It has 4 corners. It is closed. Touch and count the sides and corners. Notice this shape has no curved sides. Do you notice anything else about this shape? This shape has 4 equal sides. They're all the same. This shape also has 4 square corners. What is this shape? This shape is called a square. Practice drawing a square. This is called a square corner tester. What letter does this look like? It looks like an uppercase L. We can use this to find square corners on our 4-sided, 4-cornered shapes. Look at this shape. How would you describe it? It has 4 straight sides. It has 4 corners. It is closed. Touch and count the sides and corners. Notice this shape has no curved sides. Does this shape have square corners? Yes. What is this shape? It is called a rectangle. 4 straight sides and 4 corners. Practice drawing a rectangle. Look at this shape. How would you describe it? It has 4 straight sides. It has 4 corners. It is closed. Touch and count the sides and corners. Notice this shape has no curved sides. Does this shape have square corners? Yes. What is this shape? This is a rhombus. Practice drawing a rhombus. Look at this shape. How would you describe it? It has 4 straight sides. It has 4 corners. It is closed. Touch and count the sides and corners. Notice this shape has no curved sides. Does this shape have square corners? No, you cannot make a perfect square in the corner. What is this shape? This shape is called a trapezoid. Practice drawing a trapezoid. Look at this shape. How would you describe it? It has 6 straight sides. It has 6 corners. It is closed. Touch and count the sides and corners. Notice this shape has no curved sides. Does this shape have square corners? No. What is this shape? This shape is called a hexagon. Practice drawing a hexagon. I know it's a little hard, but just do your best. Look at this shape. How is it different from the other shapes we have learned? It doesn't have any sides or corners. It's a curved shape. It is a closed shape. This shape is called a circle. Practice drawing a circle. In this video today, we learned about shapes. The shapes that we learned about are 2D or flat shapes. In the next math video you watch, you will be learning about solid shapes or 3D shapes.